Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Ecovacs is a company that's been winning lots of fans for its affordable line of Deebot floor cleaning robots and Winbot window cleaning robots. Performance is impressive and entry-level pricing is under $200. And the next generation, the Deebot Ozmo 960, will include artificial intelligence. GM for the Americas, Scott Letterman.
Artificial intelligence and visual interpretation enables the Deebot Ozmo 960 to simply learn from its daily cleaning tasks and recognize household objects or obstacles, such as maybe cables, shoes, kids' socks.
Sounds like fun and useful. The downside is the Deebot Ozmo 960 won't arrive until later this year. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.